Windows, I need to get the virtual machine, install Windows on it, and then all I have to do from there is use WSL because I can't handle that fucking terminal and, you know, the dir and all that stuff. What's up, Anna? I can't handle the terminal. You know what I'm saying? I have to use the WSL. I think. Not much. Oh, you did? For the GitHub? Or this last one? What are we doing? Well, I was working on the app. I'll show you. I got it. I'll show you where I got it.
In this video,
Mark was kicking it. We were talking about beating video games with AI. Wait, that YouTube link you shared with me is wrong, though? All right, let me go. 1 second. It's Google Chrome. Sorry, dude. I'm going to show Anna the app real quick. So, no, that's... Oh, I see what you're saying. Gotcha. Yeah, you can't... Wait, you can install Mac OS on Windows? So I got the app you've mostly seen, Anna, but I've changed it. So I'm select block. This is going to actually... I mean, it looks like shit right now, but it's going to actually get the Legos from... It's going to let the user pick a Lego. But look, I built a... Oh, dude, it failed. Anyways, I was working on this earlier, but then we got to chatting about something else. Why'd that happen? Damn, I gotta fix that. But I had a color picker in here, and then it's got category picker, and then you hit search, and you can get your Legos pieces. So, yeah, I was working on that earlier, but then we got to talking about some cool shit. But this is like the screen to pick the Legos. This is for Intel, but I think works on the new Mac. Let's check it out. And then we were talking about, Mark and I were talking about, you know how I'm using AI to build Legos? We were talking about using, hey dude, you know, Minecraft, whatever AI beats Minecraft is kind of like an AI putting Legos together, isn't it? Because we were talking about beating video games with AI, and Mark was showing me all this stuff.
Today I'll be showing you how to install Windows 10 on any Intel base.
Hey, dude. Mark. This is for an Intel based iMac. Yeah, this is for an Intel Mac. Hey, dude, I hate to say goodbye right now, but I have a guest here. Mark, it was dope talking to you, man. That was a lot of fun. Come back. We'll work on the app. And Anna, we'll chat soon. But I gotta run right now, guys. Sorry to stop the chat abruptly, but I gotta grab some food. Peace out, guys. Mark, thanks for stopping by. Anna, we'll talk soon. Later, Mark.